So for step 1, poke a flathead screwdriver in this notch to separate the body. And then the main body pulls apart from this seam here, exposing the batteries. Gently lift these out. And these are two CR 1620s. Place the new ones in on top of each other, both positive side down. And if you still have the key ring, it hooks onto this little notch here. Line the two halves back up. Don't forget to hook the ring back on and click them into place. And push the body back into the key until it clicks into place. And we're good to go again. I've been doing loads of jobs on the Audi, so for more DIY videos make sure to subscribe if you're also trying to keep one of these going. Thanks for watching.